All right, finishing up a few things on the old 51 Ford truck here. Kind of more of the same stuff. Gonna try and hit this lettering here on the side, which I know probably if you look here like 5 feet away, it looks okay. And then you get really close and you can see that, boy, it really does not look even at all. It just looks crappy, probably just because I don't think it's paint that's really meant to go on bare chrome. I don't know if I should have tried to prime this. But I'm kind of in too deep at this point, so I'm just going to try and hit that with another coat and hope it looks better. This one here only has just the one coat, and you can see the difference. I think I might go ahead and paint the front as well, even though that's probably closer to the correct color, just so that it all matches. And we also, one thing we had to do is we had to replace our fuel pump, which you can probably see a little bit back there behind the oil canister. It was leaking, and I suggested we just get a gasket, but my mechanic just said, Chris, just go ahead and get a whole new fuel pump. It was only like 65 bucks, so no big deal. Cool thing about those from back in the day is that, yes, and you can see that there, that's actually a glass reservoir that gets filled up before going on into the carburetor. And I might just give you a few seconds here to see what that looks like running. You can see that back there. So I can't hardly really see gas moving through there. So I'm just doing this job, but yeah, it's running really smooth now, which is kind of staggering. I was also getting gas coming off of there, then going off the engine and cooling, finding that at the bottom there. So it was running rough. So I think I got a shot in here of me driving. It looks a lot better. Now you may not be able to tell, but that everything is just so smooth. The acceleration. I was having problems before where, like, even just, cruising along like this at about 45 miles an hour, it would be kind of staggering and sputtering. I didn't think the leak was that bad, but it maybe was to the point where it was affecting the ability to fill the bowl in the car. But as you can see, smooth sailing now. Alright, and there's the finished product, and it looks not great. Again, I'm not sure how much it's showing up on the camera. I mean, from, normal looky-loo distance, let's see, right there, that's about 4 feet away from camera. Looks okay. You get in close, it's still very uneven and not good. And you can see I've got a bunch of little overages here where I went around the edges. Rather than trying to worry about those, what I'm going to do is I know that this paint comes off pretty easily with paint remover. I'm just going to go, after this dries, go around that with a brush with some paint remover on it, and then it should come right off. Again, I don't know, I often give myself grades for projects since I'm not really an experienced mechanic and I'm just sort of discovering this stuff as I go. Like I say, I give the lettering on the spears and the front emblem about a C, maybe even a C-. Just has not looked great, but I can't figure out what else to do. If you have an idea what you've done with your lettering to make it look good, let me know, and maybe in a year or two I'll get some gumption and go over this again. But for now, this is going to have to just be good enough. Thank you.